Ever hit send on a crypto transaction and immediately felt that sinking feeling? You know, the one where you realize you sent it to the wrong address, or for the wrong amount, or maybe you just changed your mind. If you're a Beam Wallet user, you've probably wondered, how do I cancel a Beam Wallet transaction? It's a question that plagues many in the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency. Unlike traditional banking where you might have a few minutes to recall a wire transfer, blockchain transactions are designed to be irreversible. This immutability is a core tenet of decentralized finance, offering security and finality. However, it also means that once a transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, it's virtually impossible to cancel it in the way you might cancel a credit card payment. Now, before you panic and imagine your funds floating aimlessly in the digital ether, let's clarify what canceling a Beam Wallet transaction actually entails. Because of the immutable nature of blockchain, you cannot simply press an undo button. The transaction, once broadcast and confirmed, is recorded on the Beam blockchain forever. So, what are your options if you've made an error or changed your mind? There are primarily two scenarios to consider, and both depend heavily on the status of your transaction. Scenario 1, the transaction is still pending, unconfirmed. This is your best-case scenario. When you initiate a transaction on Beam Wallet, it doesn't immediately become final. It first enters a pending or unconfirmed state. During this brief window, your transaction is waiting to be included in a block by miners. If your transaction is still pending, you might have a chance to effectively cancel it, though it's more accurately described as replacing it or letting it expire. Beam's Nimblewumble protocol, while offering enhanced privacy, doesn't directly support a replace-by-fee mechanism like some other blockchains. However, if your transaction has been stuck in the pending state for an extended period, it might eventually be dropped from the mempool, the pool of unconfirmed transactions, if miners prioritize other transactions or if there's network congestion. In such a case, the funds would return to your wallet. You don't actively cancel it, but rather the network effectively discards it. Scenario 2, the transaction has been confirmed. This is the harder truth. If your transaction has been confirmed and included in a block on the Beam blockchain, it is irreversible. At this point, the funds have officially left your wallet and arrived at the destination address. There is no technical mechanism within Beam Wallet, or the Beam blockchain itself, that allows you to claw back those funds. So, what then? Your only recourse is to contact the recipient. If you send it to the wrong person, you'll need to reach out to them directly and politely request that they return the funds. This, of course, relies entirely on their goodwill and honesty. If you sent it to an exchange and made an error with a memo or tag, you'll need to contact that exchange's support team, provide them with all the transaction details, and hope they can assist you. This process can be lengthy and there's no guarantee of success. The takeaway here is crucial. Always double-check every detail of your Beam Wallet transaction before hitting that send button. Verify the recipient's address character by character. Confirm the amount. Ensure any necessary memos or tags are included. Treat every transaction as final, because on the blockchain, it almost always is. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.